School jokes. 1. Teacher, where is your homework? Student, I lost it, fighting this boy. Who said you weren't the best teacher in school? Teacher. 2. On the first day of college, the principal addressed the students, pointing out some of the rules. The female dormitory will be closed for all male students, and the male dormitory to the female students. Anybody caught breaking this rule will be fined $20 for the first time. Anybody caught breaking this rule the second time will be fined $60. Being caught a third time will cost you $180. Are there any questions? One student raised his hand and asked, how much for a season pass? 3. Isn't the principal an idiot? Said a boy to a girl. Well, do you know who I am? Asked the girl. No, replied the boy. I'm the principal's daughter, said the girl. And do you know who I am? Asked the boy. No, she replied. Thank God, said the boy, and just walked away. 4. Teacher, kids, what does the chicken give you? Student, meat. Teacher, very good. Now what does the pig give you? Student, bacon. Teacher, great. And what does the fat cow give you? Student, homework. 5. Mother, how was school today? Patrick. Patrick, it was really great, Mom. Today we made explosives. Mother, ew, they do very fancy stuff with you these days. And what will you do at school tomorrow? Patrick, what school? 6. After many years of studying at a university, I've finally become a PhD, or Pizza Hut Deliveryman, as people call it. 7. 2 boys were arguing when the teacher entered the room. The teacher says, why are you arguing? One boy answers, we found a $10 bill and decided to give it to whoever tells the biggest lie. You should be ashamed of yourselves, said the teacher. When I was your age, I didn't even know what a lie was. The boys gave the $10 to the teacher. 8. Headmaster, I've had complaints about you, Johnny, from all your teachers. What have you been doing? Johnny, nothing, sir. Headmaster, exactly. 9. Teacher, Nick, what is the past participle of the verb to ring? Nick, what do you think it is, sir? Teacher, I don't think I know. Nick, I don't think I know either, sir. 10. Pupil, would you punish me for something I didn't do? Teacher, of course not. Pupil, good, because I haven't done my homework. 11. Little Johnny, teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Teacher, little Johnny, may I go to the bathroom? Little Johnny, but I asked first. 12. Teacher, why are you late? Student, there was a man who lost a $100 bill. Teacher, that's nice. Were you helping him look for it? Student, no, I was standing on it. 13. Teacher, do you have trouble making decisions? Student, well, yes and no.